CNC wire machine by Krishna Engineers. Engineered for excellence, this advanced CNC wire cutting system is built to handle the toughest stone processing jobs with unmatched accuracy and durability. With a powerful 15 kW main motor, a robust worktable bearing capacity of 30 tons, and a cutting wire stretching over 16,000 millimeters, this machine is made to deliver. Maintenance is worry-free with an automatic oil pump system and electric guide wheel adjustments. And with a built-in broken rope fault protection alarm, safety is always a priority. The Siemens Power Control System features a user-friendly 11-inch touchscreen interface, offering CNC profiling with a cutting precision of less than 1 millimeter. Control system learning time? Just 5 minutes. And yes, it comes with remote lifetime upgrades and multilingual support. Driven by Siemens servo motors and ABB/Schindler components, the ingenious CNC wire machine ensures smooth, reliable performance every single time. Whether it's intricate profiles or heavy-duty industrial cutting, the ingenious CNC wire machine brings technology, strength, and precision together. Contact Krishna Engineers today. Visit www.king.in or call +91 98250 61426. Transform your stone cutting process with smart engineering.